Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I would like to introduce you to my new cleaning companion. This cordless vacuum has multiple brush heads, making it easier to clean different areas in your home. Once I received it, I started charging the battery, and I really like how the blinking blue light indicates that it's not fully charged. Once it's solid blue, it indicates that it is fully charged. I love that it's very lightweight and that it has an LED touchscreen, making it very easy to manage. I also appreciated that it has 4 speeds control. So once you turn on the LED touchscreen, you're going to see that it allows you to see the percentage of the battery lifetime it has, and it allows you also to control the speed desired. This is great for multi-surface cleaning, for tile, for carpet, or for wooden floors. I love using this whenever I drop any crumbs in my kitchen, for my staircase, or even when I cut my husband's hair. I really appreciate the LED headlight that improves visibility in low light areas. This is also fantastic for whenever you want to clean your couches that they're full of crumbs. It makes it very easy. When I had to clean this out, it took me like literally 2 minutes to dust it off and to put it back together. You make sure everything's very well clean, you attach it again, and it's ready to use. Cleaning has never been easier and more enjoyable. I highly recommend this vacuum, and that is my point of view.